Hi, in this video I am going to share how to transform layer attributes from one layer to multiple layers. Before going, please subscribe our channel. Let's go to the lesson. There are multiple clips in the sequence. The first clip I added some color corrections. The effects are Luma curve, tint, brightness. The other clips are empty. So I need to transform the first clip attributes to all clips. So first I select the clip, go to edit menu, select copy or Ctrl C, select all other clips and select paste attribute. The Ctrl Alt V is the keyboard shortcut. Now you can check all the first clip attributes are pasted into other clips. Hey, I hope this lesson will help you. Comment your questions about motion graphics and video editing. Keep watching.